Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general monthly reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of December 2024. I'm going to tap into recent past, current energies and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for the first 15 days of December 2024. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Okay. And if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots. The link is in the given. The link is given in the description box. Aquarius, let's see the overall energy for Aquarius people for the first 15 days of December 2024 is, let's see. We have the Eight of Wands, lot of communication, lot of this energy of maybe traveling, but your life will start moving in a very fast pace, in a uh, okay, fast pace, fast moving energy. It's like either you will be traveling a lot or you will be communicating a lot. Communication is going to be the key point or focus area of your life. You are going to be very open and honest and loyal in your communications, and or you should be, but you are going to be very focused on this part of your life, communication and or traveling maybe. But fast moving energies, very fast. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. We have the Four of Swords. It's like you were in the healing chapter of your life. You were in this energy of detaching yourself from people or situations or things that were not making you happy anymore, or you were just taking a break. You were like, okay, let me heal myself, let me make room for myself. Currently, the Four of Cups, you're a little bit confused because you might be having certain kind of a specific kind of person or situation in your mind, and you're not able to get that. And by the 15th of December, we have the Hanged Man in the surrender mode. But let's see. Let's clarify these cards in order to get the clear picture of the situation, honey. Aquarius, let's see what was happening in the recent past. Four of Swords. We have the Nine of Cups and Nine of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands. See, you were trying to be happy by being independent, by being with yourself. But at the same time, you were feeling like even if you were like being independent, you were supremely focused on yourself, it was not making you happy. So it like straight away sent you to this energy of detaching from everything and everyone. For some reason, it was like kind of off energy where you felt like you should just detach from everything and everyone and you should just be by yourself. Even if you were kind of detaching and being by yourself, that was not also helping you. That was also giving you some tough time to even connect with yourself. Something was kind of missing from your side. Okay, and you were trying to figure out what that was, missing portion of the puzzle. Currently, the Four of Cups, you're quite confused and or not disturbed actually. You're confused or you are what we call that, disappointed. Yeah. See, you have an idea of either having a partner and or a job or career opportunity, that it should be like that only. So even if it is going slightly 1% this side or that side, you're kind of pissed off. You're like, no, I don't want it like this. I want it exactly the same I want it. Otherwise, it's not my thing, or it's not my person, or it's not my situation. And you're kind of pissed off and kind of confused and disappointed in yourself that you're not able to attract that kind of person or situation in your life the way you want it. And it's kind of making you feel uncomfortable right now. Okay. See, what is happening here is, Aquarius, you're like, okay, I healed myself. I did a lot of healing. Where are the results? Why am I not able to see the results of my hard work, of my healing? So everybody's lying. Healing is nothing. It's kind of making me pissed off. When you're pissed off, when you're confused and disappointed like this, you are on the process of healing, but you haven't healed yet. It's just half the work done. Hmm? Sorry to burst your bubble, honey, if that is the case. By the 15th of December, the Hanged Man, you are in this energy of seeing people and situations and things from a totally different perspective. At the same time, being in a surrender kind of energy. Okay, let's unfold it. Let's let it unfold naturally. Yeah. See, you're dropping the drama, you're dropping the ego, you're dropping the conflict from your side, and you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let the brand new beginning happen naturally and organically. Let it happen when it's bound to happen. Let me not put in the effort and energy in continuously wanting something that I want, so that it can happen naturally and organically. So basically, your perception is going to change towards the universal energies. You are going to understand that you are in a rush, you are in a hurry, the universe is not. That is why you are continuously pissed off and the universe is not. But at the moment you are going to be in this surrender mode, the moment you are going to be in this energy of changing your perspective, you are going to feel the brand new beginning happening, starting within yourself. And that way you will be able to attract that kind of people or situations in your life organically and naturally. It will be like magical for you, a magical moment of your life when you are going to feel that everything is shifting, everything is changing, and you are having those brand new beginnings in your life the way you wanted it. But universe is kind of teaching you the power of detachment, the power of surrender. That is the thing there. That is a lesson. Guidance, Nine of Pentacles. It's going to be a slow process, quite slow. You are an air sign. You want everything. It's going to be like, so be patient. That's it. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste, honey.